Hey y'all, it's me in my mirror coming at you with a full video. Those shorts, I'm sorry, when you're doing makeup tutorials, there's no short way about it. I mean, you can't do your makeup in 15 seconds. I'm sorry, if there was a way you could. But I'm here to show you a new tool and actually demonstrate it so you can see what it can do. It's the Dollar Tree Beauty Blender. It's purple and beautiful. This tip is soft silicone and it's washable. And then I have brought with me a LA Colors from the Dollar Tree contour stick in a kind of medium brown for my crease. And then I have from the this is from NYX. Why would I pick? It must have been on clearance. Jumbo eye pencil in this pastel pink color. So we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna do a longer video, not like super long, but on a full face Thanksgiving, glow up, wherever they call it. Using fall colors for the eyeshadow, and it's gonna be really pretty. Lots of gold. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the inner corner, the first like third, I guess, of my lid. And I'm not gonna do both eyes, so don't get over clamped. Okay. So as you can see, this particular white highlighter, oh, did I even introduce this one? This is the Blue Thin Silkworm Pen and Eyeshadow from Temu. And I don't know what that means, silkworm, like, is there worms? Okay, anyway, that's good, because we're gonna blend it. That's the whole point of this video. Then we're gonna go in with the pink next, and we're just gonna go right next to the white in an up and down motion. Go up to about where you would like your crease to be instead of where it actually is. See where my crease is? Yes, I have droopy eyelids, and there's the old crease, and it's down here now, and it used to be up here. So draw the pencil or the shadow, whatever you're using. I just thought it'd be fun to do a cream all the way down. And then this is a contour stick. I don't usually use on my eyes, but I thought, what the heck? Maybe I should do like a Wednesday special, a what the heck Wednesday. I am just drawing it like a little bit above my crease, and then down to the outer portion of my lid. And I'm not even going to extend it out because we're going to keep our fingers crossed and blend this all together and see what happens. I think a lot of these professional makeup artists on YouTube practice all of this stuff before they go in front of the camera, but not me. I like to just do it with you guys and have you be like, wow, that was an epic fail. So I'm starting on the outside corner. I'm just gently sweeping the soft silicone sponge to the outer part of my eye. And then, I mean, you don't even really need to, I mean, I guess you could wipe it on a tissue or something, but since we're blending, it's okay. And then the pink, I'm just gonna kind of soften and blend it inward towards the white so they kind of blend together. And now what you have is a much softer look. And, keep blending if you want. If it's too much, if it's too obvious that you have multiple colors, you can just take that thing and just smush them all together, and then suddenly you just have the darker brown. I covered most of the pink and the white, and now you can just be Miss Au Natural. Like, I'm so beautiful that I don't even need to wear makeup. But this is my natural eyelid color. It's always been that way. Okay, I'll see you next time. And if you feel like it, you know, you could hit the like button, or you could even say something, God forbid. Or you could, you know, just the thumbs up thing does something a little bit. I mean, you know, if I'm going to make $1 million, I need to at least get some likes. Okay, guys, help me out here. I love ya. Happy Thanksgiving.